Okay, so tonight is going to be our first night going out and looking for some animals. I don't want to call it herping because we're taking the ATV, as you can probably hear in the background, the engine. But we're just going to go kind of road cruising, checking things out. It's a little bit cold tonight. So when we left Thailand last time, it was really hot. And so we had some really hot summer nights. But now it is getting a little chilly, but that does not mean that we're not going to find anything. So we're just going to kind of go survey. Like I said, this is the first time that we've gone out, and I don't know, have no idea what we're going to find. We have a very special delivery on the way right now. It is arriving in maybe about 3 hours, so we don't want to be out too late because that driver is going to be giving us a ring on the cell phone here pretty soon, and we need to be here for that. It's very important. I don't know if I'm going to show that in this video or not. I know some of you guys are here for reptiles, some of you guys are here for lifestyle and just kind of checking out what we're up to. So I might break it up into 2 different videos. But anyway, that is what we're up to tonight. Wish us luck. Oh yeah, vine snake.
Where is it? I lost it in the camera.
No, it's right here. No way, that's crazy. This is only the second one I've ever seen out here.
Gentle, gentle.
Oh man, that is so cool. I feel lumps or something in it. What do we have here? I feel some lumps. Try to get it to cruise through my hands. No, it's just real fat. Looks like a female. Whoa. You guys, this is fantastic. This is a vine snake. It is a girl, and these are primarily lizard eaters and not common out here at all. They're usually pretty docile and just fantastic leaf mimics. They've got that long pointy nose and those weird pupils. That is so awesome. You know, it's funny, coming from the reptile trade, right? These are really common, very inexpensive animals. But I've said this so many times before, everything changes when you find something in the wild. It's just totally different. It changes your mind, it changes your opinion. The value of the animals is different and forever changed because, you know, once you see this in the wild, and then say you go to like a reptile show, expo or something, and you see some of these offered for sale in the reptile trade, and your mind just goes back to something exactly like this very experience, and it makes the animal so much more special from that day forward. and it's just a it's just a trip. That is so cool. The other one that we found was a lot smaller. I think it was a little male, and then this one is a girl. That is awesome. I've also said this before, you guys. Whenever I find a green snake, and it's not a green cat snake, it's not a Boiga cyanea, those are very common here, I get really excited. This gets me really excited. Vine snake. All right, so gonna let this guy go, let this girl go back. It's probably gonna head straight up and kind of disappear rather quickly. Not bad for the first snake of our return back home. Vine snake. That's cool. Good eye, Apple. So I was just getting ready to do my apology at the end of the video for not finding anything. We're here at the house. This is Apple's parents' house. The dogs were going crazy, and I came over to see what the dogs were barking at, and lo and behold, a cyanea. So I am going to bring it back over to our house because the dogs are going nuts. So this is a female, and I have a feeling that this is the same female that we've seen before, and it lives pretty much right here. I'm gonna let it go actually right here because this is where we keep seeing her, and I think she just kind of ventured off a little bit too far. But this is the waterfall that we do not turn on, but this is our koi pond. And it just kind of hangs out. And we just keep seeing it over and over again. So the dogs here can be merciless, especially when it comes to snakes. Cobras, whatever. Obviously the dogs don't know the difference between a venomous snake and a non-venomous snake, and they don't realize that we like snakes, but they do often alert us to the fact that there's something around. So anyway, the dogs helped us this evening, and hopefully that snake will see it more often. We've actually seen it upstairs crawling along Apple's rose bushes, so we don't mind having it around. So that is about it, you guys. Tonight was quiet, it was cold, and just one of those nights we just didn't find a whole lot. 2 green snakes, 1 cyanea, 1 vine snake. So I'm gonna say that that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. And that is about it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. We will see you guys in the next video. Be safe.